I love teaching because it's a way of letting other people develop something that they aspire to do and help them actually learn that it's not as difficult as they think to get established and learn the basic techniques. And when you see that, the results are actually quite pleasing. The course, you'll have 4 little modules or 4 separate little landscapes stroke cityscapes that I've run through just to show you basically how you can apply the paint quite quickly, quite freely, and learn a little bit about how the balance is important. And hopefully it will give you a sort of pleasing little image within a short time. So you don't have to labour it and spend hours to have a piece of work. You've got something that you can have quite quickly and you'll enjoy it at the same time. The idea is we're taking you from the very basics and the principles of using watercolour, which people are quite daunted with. But hopefully when you're shown, your fears can be allayed a bit. We started with a West Coast beach scene. Then we did a Tuscan landscape. We then moved on to Highland Cottage and we finished with little Venice of the Grand Canal. We cameoed the canal. The modules you can do individually. You could do them in any order and each will have a little changing reference and you'll learn a little from each one. Or if you enjoy this initial set of courses, there's others available. And of course, the ultimate one is to do it face-to-face on location. We've got staycations and we've also got our trips to Italy, which we're all looking forward to. These are the ultimate trips because we can enjoy the sun together and we get a chance of sharing a glass of Prosecco at the end of the day.